Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the time zone on Calendly. Click your account on the upper right, then click on Profile. Now scroll down towards the bottom and you will find time zone. If you're trying to fix the time zone for your country, then you want to go ahead and click the drop down. So as you can see, I'm currently using the Eastern US Canada time here, and my country is in another time. If I go ahead and choose, for example, a different country, for example, something in Europe, then I can go ahead and change my time zone if it's not correct. So I'm going to click on save here. And as you can see, I changed the country, but the time zone is now off. So what I'll need to do is go ahead and find a time zone that actually works. Now I can simply use, for example, a different one. I can type in Prague and see if I find something. If it doesn't find it, then I can go ahead and search manually. So you want to look for something that works for you in your current country or region. So I'm going to type in Europe, and as you can see, for example, in Europe, the Central European time would be that one. And that's it. I'll click on save, and that's all there is to it.